Hey folks, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is the late night blues. And we're alone, we are totally drunk, and we just want to play the blues, and that's how it sounds. Bring me the bottle of Jack Daniels, and it's already empty. I don't have one here, sorry. Yeah, so that's a picture we are drawing here. Playing this mostly, well, we cannot say desperate, but at least bluesy blues, late night blues. And first about the sound settings, probably. I named this sound here Cream Machine because it's kind of a 70s very brown British sound, and I have used a British brown amp and the 70s British 4x12 cabinet with some delay on it, some kind of analog delay or tape delay, and that's it. And the rest is all playing technique, and the rest is also the getting into the mood of it, how to express. It's not basically about licks. I'm going to show a few licks, but it's the way you express it, the way you punch these strings to get the sound out. I mean, this stuff, everybody did this already. But the way expressing it, that's what it's all about, and a few cool licks. Or it's also a cool lick, which works fine, but let's check it out. Now, the backing track is a minor blues in A minor, kind of a old love blues Eric Clapton thing. And so we select the A minor pentatonics, or better, the A minor scale. Let me show this quickly. 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 5, 6, 8, 10, 7, 8, 10, 12. So these notes. Probably these notes will be enough. Like this would work pretty fine. Yeah, so this is basically the scale. Now, how do we get into blues with the lick which like 99.9% of all blues start? This one here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be the one. Here is a bar here in the 5th. Slide up in the 10th. Then we are already in position. I'm very sorry that you already seen this lick before, but that's how the cookie crumbles. All blues starts with this lick. I don't know why. And then you just continue. And then here we are already in position to go in the extreme bending thing here in the 10th fret. And do this I would call this the the police car makes, like just put in the bending and release it. And then this Now, how we do this bending here, this is the main point of it. It's not basically about how many times to attack, it's the matter of how depressed you are. Yeah. So, let's try slight depression, hard depression. That was pretty depressed. Let's do more depressed. So repeat it several times, get the effect more, and slight depression. See how you can create 3 different moods or just with the same lick. And also the way you attack the strings makes a difference. On the very depressed, I really attacked it hard. Like probably you would bang your fist to the wall and say, can't stand this anymore. My Jack Daniels is empty and there's none left. Probably something like that. Or just, I just don't. And when you play soft, there's a little trick which I always do. I play very hard picks. But if I want to have this soft and slightly creamy sound, then I hold the pick in a way that it nearly drops out of my fingers and you can move it like this. See? And then. And just attack very soft and then you hear the sound changes. But this only works, I need to warn you, with tube-based or very good tube amp simulations. And attack hard. If you attack hard, then you can hear the cream coming out. That's why I call this sound cream machine. Yeah, so let's do it again. And there's one special trick if you want to make it more dramatic, then overbend. It doesn't matter if you overbend. In this case, if you want to use the overbending as a trick to make it dramatize the whole thing, then it's cool. If you overbend because you cannot play better, that's not good. But if you use it as a tool, and just my guitar bell dropped off, then it's really cool. Let's see that one, the overbending. I missed the entry. No. But in this case, you need to continue the journey of overacting. We call this overacting. If you do overacting, then of course, then it's also cool to try to play pinch harmonics. In this case, it's cool. If you play a slide hold it back thing, in this case, you would not play harmonics, you play a soft and relaxed wide vibrato. Overacting. That's overacting and see? Or if you want to build up the tension, start slow. Now let's see the additional licks which I played. What I also like to do, this is a little bit from Carlos Santana. If you want to play this note here in the 10th fret, start here on the 8th and make this. See? Here in the 8th fret, start on the 7th, just within the scale. And this makes it more sophisticated sound if you just would play. It's also nice, but you can also use this as an additional thing to express yourself. I would rather put this in the overacting category. Yeah, and I also like this lick. It's very smooth here. This one I'm going to show you. Starting in the 7th, hammer on, pull off, 8, 9, 7, 5, 4, hammer on. Or just go directly from 7 to 4. Then 4, 5, 5, slide back to 7. And that one you can play very smooth. As I showed you before with the pick, hold it very loose and just softly attack the strings. Yeah, and there's another trick to make things more dramatic in the overacting part. When you do vibratos, accelerate it to the end, and then on the ending of the note, go away. See, I accelerated till the end, and then I stopped it. Or with this one, with this overacting thing. And it all depends in which mode you want to play it. You can play this lick soft or overactive. Same lick, different expression. This way you can build up tension inside a blues. And blues is often thing which is repeated, but you create moods and modes. Also can sound like this. Next time you play more extreme vibrato, accelerate to the end, stop. More extreme. And the trick is, build up attention, try to tell a story. How you tell a story? Probably the story will be like this. You hang in the bar, thinking about things, you're a little bit mellow, and then you start to think about this. Then you want to order another drink, and the barkeeper says, no whiskey left, and then you get really depressed. So this is now the story. We put this into music. Sitting in the bar, feeling a little mellow. Now you think, okay, I want to have another drink. So you order whiskey. Hey, barkeeper, I want to have a new Jack Daniels. His answer is, hey dude, sorry, no drinks left. You're the last customer, you have to go out now. Get what? Holy shit, I want to have a drink. Barkeeper says, sorry, nothing left, you have to leave now. Now you get starting to get angry. Think about, and now you get angry or depressed. Now the barkeeper says, okay, I give you a drink. So here you have 1.5 whiskey. Now you get relaxed. And now you fell asleep. This was an example now how you can tell a story while playing. I mean, I could write tabs for the entire solo and say, play this. Because the stuff was not really hard to play. It's A minor pentatonics and more or less like those two licks which I showed. There will be more notes inside the A minor pentatonics. All cool, but the way you want to express, and probably you have another story to tell. That's what I'm telling you. And that's the trick. You can try that yourself. Record something, probably a blues or whatever you want. Can do with this track. By the way, download links are in the description box, either on my Patreon page, which is new now. You can become a Patreon. I have one already. Gives me $1 each month. Or on my download page, do whatever you want. And record it twice. Try to visualize a story with the few licks which I showed here, or ideas which you have, and try to do the overacting and the going back and all that stuff, and then listen how it sounds. That's the trick. I tried many recordings, tried to play perfect, and it didn't sound cool. I just said, okay, it sounds like something, but like nothing. When I started to put stories into it, or colors or moods, then suddenly it became something and had an expression, and that's what's music all about. You don't need to play licks or licks and licks and licks and licks, which licks are cool, of course. You need a few licks. But it's about the stories you want to tell, and of course you need inspiration. That's what the channel is for here. I just give you some inspiration how to do it, but you have to do it yourself and find your way of expressing this picture of a late night blues thing, which can be, I mean, probably you react totally different in a late night blues thing, and that's really okay because it's your expression. That's the point which I'm going for here, and this is what this lesson is about, finding a way to express this picture of a late night blues. And I just give some inspiration. This is the sound which I would select. I go for a brown, a cream machine sound. I do these licks, that's cool, but finally you have to find it your way. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. Follow me on Spotify. That would be cool. This concert will be announced there, so you can know when concerts are taking place and new releases coming and stuff like that. Also follow me on Facebook, blah blah, Instagram, stuff like that. And support the channel with a donation, either on Patreon or on the download page. That would be cool because we invest a lot of time and energy in this channel for free, and somehow the thing has to be in a healthy balance, you know what I mean. Good. Me and Dr. Pink are signing off.